Hi beautiful souls, out here for a morning walk. I like to come out every morning before sunrise to catch the news of Mother Earth, what's going on today. I was guided to take a short clip to record these beautiful birds and just to share that behind all the hustle and bustle of life, reflected in the traffic in the distance, there is such magic and just so much beauty and so much joy and love reflected in these birds. And it's nice if you can today just to get yourself outside and just to close your eyes and listen to them. Birds from star system of Sirius, but really they're here right now in the present, and they have so much to share with us. They help to raise our vibration every day to its highest level and are such supporters. So I'm going to be quiet so we can just listen to the birds for a few minutes. Wishing you the most beautiful of days, beautiful soul. Love and blessings from this place.